Judge Me Import Reviews, How to Add Reviews on Shopify Store. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get started with adding reviews on your Shopify store. So let's get into it. Now, the tool that we are using is called Judge Me, and I really like this application because it's one of those applications that really helps you in setting up reviews, your review widget, and everything else. So let's head on over to our Shopify dashboard. And once you go onto your Shopify dashboard, you're going to click on Settings on the bottom left. Then you're going to click on Apps and Sales Channels on the bottom left again. Once you do that, click on the Shopify App Store on the top right. And once you have done that, you are going to open up the Shopify App Store in a new tab. From here, just search for Judge Me over here. And once you search for Judge Me, you're going to see a couple of different applications. Now, there are a couple of different ones. You have the Judge Me product reviews, then the Judge Me AliExpress reviews, and the checkout comments. Now, the ones that we need to download to be able to integrate or import reviews from AliExpress to Judge Me are both the product reviews and the AliExpress reviews, because the product reviews one is the one that helps you build the widgets to add the reviews to, and then from the AliExpress reviews application you're going to actually integrate those. So click on both of these. So just click on the product reviews application and then click on install. Once you do that, you're going to click on install over here. And once you have completed the installation of one of these plugins, we are going to go back into our Shopify store. And once we go back into our Shopify store, we're going to download the other one as well. So this is the Judge Me AliExpress reviews, and then you're just going to download this as well. Now, once you click on install, we will complete our installation by completing it on our dashboard like so. And just like that, both of our applications have been added. So once both your applications have been added, you will see in your Judge Me Reviews section, you're just going to open that up and you will see your current theme where you're going to apply that and your language. And then you're just going to click on Start Setup over here. Then click on Enable App Embed. And once you do that, you will see on the top left panel, you will have a app widget. So you will see it's automatically going to just turn this on. And if it's on the left, then you just need to turn it on and then click on Save on the top right. Once you do that, go back into your first tab and then click on Next Step over here. Once you do that, click on Install Review Widget over here. And this will automatically install the review widget as well. If you can't find it, it's pretty easy to see on the left panel over here. This is our review widget. So now it has been added. I can move this up as well. So let's say I don't want the related product section. I'm going to move this down and keep the review widget up right below the product. And then just click on Save on the top right. Once you do that, you will click on Next Step in your initial tab. And then click on Install Preview Badge. Now the preview badge is an indicator of the reviews that your product has received. So you will see this as a star rating. I'm going to move this right below the price of the product, so the visibility of this product review star badge is very high and people can see whether or not this product has received good or bad reviews. Once you've completed this, click on Save and you have downloaded your review widget. Now, once we have our review widget installed, click on Finish over here. And once you click on Finish, you can get started with actually customizing the appearance of your review widget. Now, I'm going to move on the customization or branding of your review widget at the end of this video. But first, I'm going to teach you guys how you're going to import reviews from AliExpress to Shopify. Because a lot of times you're doing drop shipping or your supplier is already present on AliExpress and you want to take some of the good reviews that have been added on AliExpress and then you want to list them onto your own site. However, that can be a bit difficult to do, but with Judge Me, it's very simple. Now, as we have downloaded the other application, which is the AliExpress reviews one, just open up that particular application. So just click on Open App over here. Now, once you click on open app, click on over here and you can just click on next and click on start importing now. Now from here, you can get started with the importing of reviews. So let's say I want to begin importing for a particular product. I would open up the reviews I want to import first. So I'm going to click on import reviews from AliExpress. Now, before I actually import those, I'm going to take a look at some of the products that I actually have that might be from AliExpress. So probably this one is from AliExpress, so I'm just going to copy this. You don't even have to find, your accurate product. You can actually import reviews of any product that you find similar enough, that has a similar review style. So I think I'm gonna find a good product like this. I'm gonna look for some products that have good reviews, like this one over here. Yeah, so this one has nice reviews and it has, a lot of reviews that I can pick out from, so I can really pick out some of the nice ones. So now I'm going to go back into my Shopify store, go back into the Judge Me AliExpress Reviews app. Now, once I do that, I can click on import from AliExpress. And then all I have to do is copy the URL of the AliExpress product. So I'm going to open up our product from AliExpress and click on Command C. And then just copy and paste that over here. Once I do that, I'm going to add the Shopify product that I have. It's going to be imported to this particular product. And let's say I only want to import 3 reviews and I want them to be from any country, or if you're actually targeting a particular country. So I would add those. Let's say I only want customers from the US and Canada, so I'm only going to add that, so I can do that as well, but you can import from all countries if you want. Then reviews must have pictures, reviews must have content. So I'm going to enable both of these. Sometimes reviews don't have pictures, so you do have to keep that in mind when importing reviews. So once you've completed your settings, you're just going to click on import reviews over here. And then your import will be in progress. So it might take a couple of seconds for your import to be completed, depending on the number of product reviews that you wanted. Now I'm going to go back into our Judge Me AliExpress review widget application to show you guys the customization of the actual widgets before I show you guys the actual imported reviews. I'm going to go into the Judge Me application, and then what I'm going to do is I can click on General Settings over here on the left, and from here you're going to see your multi-language and your installation. Then on the top you have the options of branding, so click on branding over here, and then from here you can choose some of the basic things like your star color you want to use, the store logo, and if you are on a premium version of Judge Me, you can also remove the Judge Me branding. Then you're going to click on save on the top right. And then if you actually go into the advanced settings, they have some more customization options available for the premium users of Judge Me. Now let's take a look at our product and let's see if our reviews have been imported. So you guys can see our reviews have imported. It says 3 reviews, and if I scroll down, so you guys can see it imported 3 reviews with pictures, and they look really nice as well. So I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to import reviews from Judge Me as well. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.